this is yet to be determined.
There's a lot yet to be determined on our first episode of Couches. Which is totally going to rock a couch from what it seems.
The title is a working title.
Yeah, working title. The premise may not work on this episode.
This is a different tire I'm used to.
Yeah, it's crystal. It says crystal. I asked about that. I don't know what that means.
Actually,
It seems a little bit lighter.
in China, their beers are usually under 4% alcohol. There's no way you could probably see that. Maybe here.
This one's under 4%.
Yeah. Which is not bad, because usually they're under 3.5 or 3.6% usually.
Yeah. Being Canadians, and personally having traveled to Europe,
We're so used to,
crazy strong beers.
yeah, especially with IPAs, you get 7, 8, 9% beer. And coming here,
These baby lobsters are fantastic.
I can dip them in their shells. They're just getting in there.
Well, I'm getting in there. Ow! It stabbed me. So another couch surfer on the website told me about this WeChat group, and I put a notice on this group chat about what I'm trying to do with the show. And a couple people asked me about it, and then Stephanie said, "Yeah, I like your idea. I'll do it." And I said, "Okay, I'm coming there in 2 weeks." This one in the red pants has probably walked backwards 10 times.
여기 다他不懂，知道吧？
Is this her?
Yep.
Wow.
With see, you can